With the dawn on my face, see concrete prayer in every place. Babylon sell fear in a polish shoes, but the poor man still got truth for choose. Make them talk, make them boast, make them flex. A hungry belly know the real complex. One hand beg, one hand build the ground. Still the same mud wall of kingly crown. So me lift me head, me nah bow low. Every bruise in my chest still grow. Through the smoke and the heavy load, me hear freedom call on the road. Eyes of revolution, see through the light. Eyes of revolution, keep hope alive. Eyes of revolution, stand up strong. Eyes of revolution, sing me song. Philosophy no live in a book alone. It live in a the bone we carry home. If you chase dark tail, you lose your way. If you plant good seed, it grow one day. This a man is not the gold him wear. He saw him share when nobody they near. And every lock of a hidden key, and every chain have a day fi break free. So me lift me head, me nah bow low. Every bruise in my chest still grow. Through the smoke and the heavy load, me hear freedom call on the road. Eyes of revolution, see through the light. Eyes of revolution, keep hope alive. Eyes of revolution, stand up strong. Eyes of revolution, sing the song. When the night get thick, hold firm, my friend. Every storm have a crack where light step in. You can't control the tide, but you can learn to sail. You can't stop the fire if the people tell the tale. Eyes of revolution, see through the light. Eyes of revolution, keep hope alive. Eyes of revolution, stand up strong. Eyes of revolution, sing the song. So mind your steps and guard your sight. Love is a weapon and truth is light. Eyes of revolution, still I watch the road. Eyes of revolution, carry the load. Rebel dreaming on my chest, it no sleep. Carry fire to the drought and the deep. Mama said pick up your spirit, son. When the road get rough, keep trod, keep run. Me eye them red, but me thoughts stay clean. Seen too much pain in my life, you know what me mean. Babylon chat sweet, but the hands them cold. Just in my heart that worth more than gold. So me take one step, then two step more. From the ash, me build my core. If them block the gate, me climb the wall. Rebel dream, it rise through all. Rebel dream, stand up firm, stay seen. Rebel dream, shall I shine through the scene? We not bow, we not fade. Can't be burn down the chain them made. Rebel dream, all your ground stay clean. Every scar a story fi tell. Every tear turn a prison cell into a river where carry me name. Out of shame and straight through the flame. Me no chase, no fake crown, no big talk. Me watch the humble man win with a quiet walk. From the concrete rock, one green blade grow. Tell me so, youth, let it show. So me take one breath, one righteous foe. Me now wait for you better know. If the night too long, sing louder still. Rebel dream, climb any hill. Rebel dream, stand up firm, stay seen. Rebel dream, Jah light shine through the scene. We not bow, we not fade. Born fi burn down the chain them made. Rebel dream, hold your ground stay clean. When them say sit down, me rise up slow. When them say stop, me still say go. Me no need no palace fi feel rich. Love, truth and fire, that are the switch. Rebel dream, stand up firm, stay seen. Rebel dream, Jah light shine through the scene. We not bow, we not fade. Born fi burn down the chain them made. Rebel dream, hold your ground stay clean. So keep your heart open, keep your feet firm. Every last teach wisdom, every fire teach burn. Rebel dream not dead, it just gets strong. In the struggle we sing one song. Them a mash up the place with them wicked design. Babylon system always out of line. But the youth them arise with a righteous mind. True justice a come, it just a matter of time. Hear the drum beat, feel the fire. Justice inside. Oppression a flow like a river wide, but we stand up tall with nothing to hide. Chains of mental slavery we cast aside. New dawn a break with the morning tide. Some creations down. Justice inside. Yeah. Them chain broke long time, but the mind still feel it. Take a little sun for make the whole ya heal it. Babylon build wall, we a knock them down. One hand can't clap, but we a broke the crown. Me see the pain in the hell of them eye. Still them stand up firm, nah beg no lie. From plantations to the market stall, just put fire in a we, fi rise and call. No more bow, no more bend. Where them broke, we build again. Look on your brother, look on your sister. Everyone got a reason to resist ya. No more slavery, no more chain. We want to live, not walk in a pain. No more slavery, no more pain. Yeah, right, keep the road right clear. No more slavery, no more need. Let's start like the arctic tree. Man a human first, not property. Every soul got value, that is the philosophy. If you sell your heart, you lose the throne. But truth still grow like breadfruit stone. Them teach we fi follow, we learn to choose. Them give we crumbs, but we build condos. Make we mind sharp like cutlass steel. Love is the medicine, justice is the meal. No more bow, no more bend. Where them out, we build again. Speak it out, make the valley know. Freedom spirit a go on fi grow. No more slavery, no more chain. We want to live, not walk in a pain. No more slavery, no more fear. Shall I try keep the road right clear? No more slavery, no more need. Let's start like the arctic tree. If you ask me where liberation be, it live in the art, not just history. It live when the poor man get to eat, when the weak man rise on steady feet. So carry the lesson, pass it on. Every lick of love make the wickedness gone. No more slavery, no more chain. We want to live, not walk in a pain. No more slavery, no more pain. The light right, keep the road right clear. No more slavery, no more need. Let's start like the arctic tree. No more slavery, you and me. Freedom for you and freedom for me. Rise visionary, step on the road. Head full of fire, heart full of load. Storm can't bend you, rough can't break your bone. Man a plant seed in a stony zone. Make your mind clean, no bow to the fate. Every little test is a teacher you take. If you want fly, have to learn the glide. Truth in your chest, not ego or pride. Babylon love talk, love fling them shade. But roots in the ground can be easily swayed. One thing me know when the night get cold, soul will stand firm, start shine like gold. So hold your fire, hold your line. No rush the river, the reaching time. Rise visionary, rise. Oh yeah, rise. Rise visionary, rise. Stand up and wise. Move with purpose now. Yeah man, move with purpose. Rise visionary, rise. Rise visionary, rise. Every step careful, every word got weight. Poor man wisdom no come too late. Me read the pain like scripture in a skin. Turn every loss to the doorway in. If you see the mountain, no fear the climb. Greatness grows slow, same like Cain and dime. One bag of chat can't steer your plan. One clear soul can outshine 10 man. Listen to the elders, listen to the breeze. Even hard rock, learn from the trees. Life no gimmick, no pretty face show. It reward the one them who learn to grow. So hold your fire, hold be the faithful host. Enough them a run tune, but them spirit thin. You build from inside, that a real win. So if you get bruised, no lose your sight. Night only come fi make the star them bright. Easy, easy now, breath by breath. The realest roots grow deep beneath death. Rise, visionary, rise. Oh yeah, rise. Rise, visionary, rise. Stand up and wise. Move with purpose now. Yeah man, move with purpose. Rise, visionary, rise. Rise, visionary, rise. Rise, visionary, rise. Chant it now. Yeah, you rise. Walk with truth, about. Walk with truth. Rise, visionary, rise. Rise, visionary, rise. Me come fi tell you, listen good. Fire and wisdom in a one neighbor. When storm cloud dark and the road get rough, Jah give your heart fi take it and tough. Babylon love trick and pretty lie. Sell your fear while the years roll by, but time reveal who build pan rock and who fall down when the wind start knock. So me burn out vanity and me hold on clarity. When the pressure won't fold me soul, wisdom keep me spirit whole. Fire and wisdom. Fire and wisdom. Oh yeah. Fire and wisdom. Burn the false and keep the right one. Fire and wisdom. Fire and wisdom. If you plant good seed in a dry ground, one day fruit grow and bless the town. Every scar have a story fi tell. Every setback teach you fi do well. Don't chase crown if you lose your name. Don't build pride on a shaky game. The poor man wisdom loud and clean like river stone through a mountain stream. So me burn out vanity and me hold on clarity. When the pressure won't fold me soul, wisdom keep me spirit whole. Fire and wisdom. Fire and wisdom. Oh yeah. Fire and wisdom. Burn the false and keep the right one. Fire and wisdom. Fire and wisdom. Make me walk with truth, me nah move for show. Sun inna me shoes, still me travel slow. On the road ahead, yet me step still sure. Every scar on me skin tell me soul stay pure. Them say life sweet, but me taste that thing. Sweet like poison breeze, where still the king. Me watch one false smile turn iron to rust. So me build me heart from the ground of trust. If the road gets steep, me climb it still. If the night get dark, me light me will. Truth no beg, no crowd for clap. It stand up straight, it not fall flat. Truth walk. Me keep it clean, me keep it solid. Truth walk. One life, one road, me not stall it. Truth walk, truth walk. Hold me land shake, but my soul still call it. See man chase gold till him shadow get in. Run from himself, can't win from within. Me watch greed build wall where love should grow. Then me fling one seed and me watch it show. Every big mouth talk can disappear, but real words here when the sky come clear. If you want peace, stop feed the fight. Plant good fruit in the blood moonlight. No need for shout when the truth voice low. No need for force what the wise man know. Humble step beat a mighty brag. The clean heart live while the false thing drag. Truth walk, truth walk. Me keep it clean, me keep it solid. Truth walk. One life, one road, me not stall it. Truth walk, truth walk. Babylon shake, but my soul still call it. When me weak, me still remember. Even a cold old fire in a winter. Me born for rise, not for bow to fear. Truth in my chest and my lanes feel clear. Ooh. Me not sell out for the glitter. Ooh. My soul strong, my steps get fitter. Truth walk, truth walk. Me keep it clean, me keep it solid. Truth walk. One life, one road, me not stall it. Truth walk, truth walk. Rubbing and shake, but my soul still call it. Truth walk. Me live by it, me chant it, me build it. Seen the child on the corner, eyes full of sky. He mark what is freedom on the elder side. Freedom now in a paper, now in a big gold chain. Freedom live in a conscience when you break your own chain. From your belly to your tongue, take truth and guide it. When you know who you be, no lie can divide it. Babylon build high wall, but them wall frail. One clean heart, one brave step, man a set seal. Rise up, brethren, rise up now. Kiss the dust and firm somehow. Every scar a teacher, every tear a sign. If you lose yourself, you lose your time. Freedom's crown, wear it proud. Freedom's crown, sing it loud. Step through the fire, come out clean. Freedom's crown, living on your dream. Freedom's crown, hold it tight. Freedom's crown, don't deny. No chains can bend a steadfast mind. Freedom's crown, just so bright. You see man chase riches like rain in a drought. But the more them get, the more them still doubt. One foot in a prison, one foot pan glass. Pursuing every shadow while the sun move fast. Wisdom no loud, it walks soft and steady. It tell you be ready before you say ready. If you can forgive, you cut your own rope. If you can still love, then you build real hope. Rise up sister, rise rise up strong. No beg, no throne when you know you belong. Every hard road lead to a clearer view. On the mountain high, only prove you true. Freedom's crown, wear it proud. Freedom's crown, sing it loud. Step to the fire, come out clean. Freedom's crown, living on your dream. Freedom's crown, hold it tight. Freedom's crown, down tonight. No chains can bend a steadfast mind. Freedom's crown, just so bright. Who plant fear, reap fear in return. Who plan love, watch the whole world turn. Me say no slave to appetite, no slave to praise. Little more patience, turn the dark to grace. So when the winds get wicked and the road feel long, that in a drum, keep your spirit strong. Cause your crowd no borrowed, it grow from within. And the real revolution start when you begin. Freedom's crown, wear it proud. Freedom's crown, sing it loud. Step to the fire, come out clean. Freedom's crown, living on your dream. Freedom's crown, hold it tight. Freedom's crown, not tonight. No chains can bend a steadfast mind. Freedom's crown, just so bright. Swallow up the pain. So hold your head, brethren, hold your fire. March pan, higher and higher. If your soul get tired, let wisdom wire. March of justice, call and it can't retire. March of justice, step steady now. March of justice, gun falsehood down. March of justice, every soul bound. March of justice, right here, right now. Hear the drum, hear the drum. Steps of the righteous. Hear the drum, hear the drum. March of justice. A hungry man can sell him future for one plate of stew. But the price of that bargain come back through, it come back through. Knowledge is a lantern when the night try cloud the mind. And mercy is a bridge when you leave revenge behind. Me know the chains them change shape from iron to a grin. Still the weak ones suffer most when greed get fed from sin. So take a breath, look round, watch how the seeds them rise. Even crack earth, still remember how to carry life. So hold your head, sister, hold your name. No shame can bury what burn like flame. Truth in your chest, that is your claim. March of justice, we chanting same. March of justice, step steady now. March of justice, gun falsehood. March of justice, every road wrong. March of justice, right here, right now. Hear the drum, hear the drum. The steps of the righteous. Hear the drum, hear the drum. March of justice. If you forgive it, no mean you're blind. It mean you're strong enough to free your mind. Cause every empire built on fear and lie must meet the morning and apologize. So if you fall, rise clean, rise clear. No more bow to the ghost of fear. One love when the road get rough. One truth when the light got tough. March of justice. Step steady now. March of justice. One falsehood down. March of justice. Every soul bow. March of justice. Right here, right now. Hear the drum, hear the drum. Steps of the righteous. Hear the drum, hear the drum. March of justice. Top down to the lane. Every youth have to know the pain. Stone by stone we build again. New kingdom rising out the rain. Babylon talk but them chat too fast. Big up the soul we can outlast. Me can't live in a fear and dust. Jah put a fire in all our we are. See how the river take the rock. Soft like truth, it never stop. If you plan good, you reap good crop. So me stand firm in a flip-flop. Hold the line, brother, hold the line. Every dark road carry light. When you lose yourself, find the sign. New kingdom call and we answer right. New kingdom, lift we up. New kingdom, fill the cup. One love, one fire, one road. One road. New kingdom carry us home. New kingdom, strong and true. New kingdom, me and you are good, no we can't know. Watch your step. New kingdom carry us home. Me see the greedy with them empty hand. Try buy soul with a bag of sand. But joy no live in a chase and brand. It grow in a heart and it take a stand. When you forgive, you free yourself. Better than gold on any shelf. Little pieces well. Share it round and enrich all else. Man born same then gone one day. So why build throne for the ego stay? Better leave song when you pass away than empty name on a shiny plaque display. Hold the line, brother, hold the line. Every dark road carry light. When you lose yourself, find the sign. New kingdom call and we answer right. New kingdom, lift we up. New kingdom, fill the cup. One love, one fire, one road. New kingdom carry us home. New kingdom, strong and true. New kingdom, me and you are good, no we can't low. Watch your step. New kingdom carry us home. No crown we're born from wickedness can last through time, can pass the test. But humble seed and righteous breath brought through the storm, outlive the rest. So if you're tired, still press on. Morning come after the long cold dawn. Jah name sing when hope seem gone, and the small brave steps still carry on.